2021. Hopefully, COVID-19 can go on and crawl back into the abyss where it came from. But anyways, my name is Aishan, and I'm here to talk about what direction we're going with our business, our videos, our lives this year, this new 2021. So let's get into the video. Okay, I have returned. Sorry for that interruption. That was my mom calling me to tell me Happy New Year's. So, as I was saying, I'm gonna get into talking about my schedule and my goals for this upcoming year. So, really, our company's goals are to grow our business. So, over the last couple of years, I've had the business, but I've never really pushed the business. I usually take like friends and family as clients, things of that nature, make things for them. But this year, I want to kind of push and grow. I want to actually start to produce stuff for individuals like out in the community and across the world. So we're kind of pushing in that direction. You know, our website is up and going, arashipanda.com, and I'm gonna link that somewhere on the page as soon as I get to editing this video. So yeah, also we want to grow our social media followings. The thing is, at first with the business, it was just me, myself, and I, and us, and we working on this business, and working on the social medias. We're kind of introverted, so we really don't interact with individuals that often. So the whole social media thing was kind of hard and difficult to do. But we have actually had someone who has come into our lives, volunteered their time, and want to help us with our social medias, help us with basically a couple of different aspects of the business. She's also another system. She's awesome. For now, I'm gonna just call her the Blue Rose System. She is awesome. She helps with loading products on our website. She helps with formatting social media posts. So she's doing some of everything. She's in multiple facets of our business at this point. Also, we want to grow our Patreon. We had one patron who has some difficulties at the moment. She promises she'll be back. We love her very dearly. She is an awesome patron, and she has been since like May of last year. But with everything going on, I completely understand that she had to pull her patronage, and I understand that. And we still love her very dearly because she has helped us basically like grow this far. So yeah, we want to grow our Patreon. We do need better camera equipment. That is another goal for this year, to get better camera equipment. But for now, you guys will be either on the phone, the tablet, the other phone, something for now. I mean, we have camcorders and stuff, but they're very like old, outdated, vintage type cameras. So unless you want to see the vintage look, it'll really be pointless. Also, even though I have a craft room, my organization skills, like I said, suck. So as you can see, everything is everywhere. About the only format I have really is that equipment that needs to be plugged in is over here, and equipment that I don't use that often is over there. And that's pretty much it. Everything else is just everywhere. Like paper products are here and there and there and here and back there. So yeah, Also, we want to update our store. At least we want to do 3 major updates this year to the store, which means updating new products, putting in more products, which takes a lot because all of the products are created and produced by us. So yeah, so that's gonna be a big goal, to do 3 store updates with just us, but with just our store manager. So for now, we just have an online store, so our store manager works with the online uploading and stuff. But the whole thing is, you don't really want to overwhelm a person. Well, at least I don't. You know, I'm very low energy type person, so I don't really like to get overwhelmed or frustrated. Excuse me, I have like this throat thing going on, like very congested. Not sick, but congested. So I may sound a little weird. Of course, that's just what happened. So also in this video, there's gonna be like pieces of other little videos of the stuff basically that I've been doing since it's the 1st of 2021. Most of this stuff comes from 2020, but this is like product line formation and things that we want to add to the store. So you're gonna see little bits and pieces of that. So also, I think I want to be more interactive with people and other artists in the community. So I think I want to do more collaborations. Of course, we want to do more events in markets during the 2021 season, because that's really where we get our money from to keep the business going, is doing the markets and collaborations and contracts with people. So, you know, hopefully we can grow that this year, because it kind of fell off last year because it kind of cut into like our interaction with people. COVID cut into that, so we couldn't bring in the money that we normally bring in, because besides me doing the business, I also work as a chef. I work as a personal chef. I work as a commercial chef. So that kind of cut out my commercial clients and the events and the shows that I normally do to, you know, gain that financial aspect. So hopefully we can do that more this year. And the main goal is like what we really need. Like we really need everything. But right now I'm sitting on a stool. My pole, neck, back, all my injuries from early life kills me sitting on this stool 8 hours a day, because I have nothing to lean back on. Like, I can't really stretch. So I do have this little rickety stool. It has a cushion on it, which I love, but the top is starting to rip off and stuff. But I just have to do what I have to do. Plus, I need a bigger work surface. Right now my work surface is this big, like literally a small 3-foot table. Not even 3 feet, like 2.5 feet. Like, let me measure this. So 1, 2, yeah, 2.5 feet. 2.5 feet by 2 feet. Well, by 1.5 feet. Yep. 2.5 by 1.5. That's my work surface for right now. I mean, I do have folding tables that I put up to like hold products if I like make them. But the reason why I don't work on those is because they're so unstable. They rock and stuff. So one of my major goals is to get a bigger, more stable, maybe wood work surface work table, and a chair. rolling chair, hopefully, to roll around this area. And the main thing, our main goal, as always, is that we be positive, we promote positivity out into the community, that we, just always put our best foot forward when interacting with everyone. Excuse me, that's my neighbor. They don't believe in getting out of cars, they just honk, because I guess that's what cars have horns for. But anyways, back to what I was saying. So let's get into my new schedule. So for those of you who don't know, I have been pretty iffy on most of my social media, my YouTube uploads, things of that nature. I've been pretty iffy, and thank you for following this iffy individual when it comes to uploads and stuff. I really appreciate you guys. So I am an individual that just recently got into TikTok. Like, I wasn't on the TikTok craze when everybody was like, oh my god, TikTok is so awesome. So yeah, I'm on TikTok now and Instagram. I still don't have a Snapchat because I don't see the purpose. But anyways, like, excuse my goblins, they live upstairs, and yeah, I stay in an apartment, so y'all gonna hear that a lot. So anyways, yeah, I'm on social media now, and that's what my store manager, social media manager, life manager helps me with, like, everything, every aspect. So she made this schedule for me, so we're gonna go over this schedule. Now if I could stick to the schedule, I'll be proud of myself for this year, but I don't have a good track record with schedules, but I'm gonna try. So Monday, I could start pre-making videos so that I could do like the whole week video like people do. Like, oh, I started shooting on Monday and I shot throughout the week, and here's the video for Friday. So yeah, so I could start my pre-making. Pretty much I'm always pre-making videos, so y'all may see me in a shirt or clothing or something, some of the clothing back and forth in the video, because it's bits and pieces from different times, because I never stay on track with one project at a time, because I jump from this one to that one to this one to that one. So it may take me a day, 2 days, 3 days. So you'll always see my clothes are different, because unless I'm doing a direct video, a tutorial video, you'll see it's like, oh, she was wearing this one day, she was wearing that one day for the same product. Yeah, because I wasn't in no rush. So anyways, Mondays are my pre-making video days, which that's the start of my video week. So I take everything from that week, make a video, put the video out into the world. Tuesdays and Wednesdays are my planning days, which y'all probably have it in there as administrative days, where you just watching me do interactive desk stuff. So yeah, and Thursdays is when, I'm gonna upload to my Patreon their exclusive videos, their content, put the full month calendar of what I'm gonna do on Patreon. That's gonna be like, I'm gonna try to upload that today to my Patreon, so that if you go on Patreon, you can see really what's gonna be lined up for the month, what we're gonna be doing, what I'm gonna be talking about, stuff like that. Also, this goes under goals. This is not on my schedule, but this goes under goals. I want to start a podcast where I kind of talk about some of everything: mental health, business, crafts, some of everything. Because not only am I a crafter, I'm a certified recovery peer specialist. Basically, I assist individuals with mental health disorders be functional in the community, like me, because I'm functional. I classify as functional in the community. So yeah, so I want to start a podcast. But anyways, back to my schedule. On Fridays is when I'm gonna upload to YouTube and TikTok. For those of you who are not following me on TikTok, y'all need to follow me on TikTok because I'm awesome, period. But anyways, since we this far into this video, like, subscribe, please hit that bell button because that's what I'm supposed to tell you to do. And if you've watched this far 15 minutes in, you might as well subscribe so you can get more, because clearly we on the same wavelength. So yeah, that's my upload day. Friday is my upload day to YouTube and TikTok. It'll probably become my upload day for everybody so that everybody could get across platforms on the same day. I mean, my social media manager, my manager, my life person, we just gonna call her Bae, is helping me with all this. Bae Blue Rose is helping me with all this. So she says that would be too hectic for me to do on Fridays by myself. And I'm like, I'm not by myself, I got you. But she's like, that would still be a little too hectic because you still have to do all the videos and send me the content to help you upload. I'm like, girl, we have Google. We like communicate. So, but anyways, she felt like that would be too much to upload on Fridays. So that's what I'll be doing, those two platforms on Friday for now, YouTube and TikTok. And then Saturday and Sunday are my resting days. Believe it or not, rest, what is that? I could rest when I die. But anyways, you know, those supposed to be my rest days because I'm supposed to be helping myself stay well. And I have the tendency to burn myself out. And then I crash and burn. And then you won't see me for a week. But she is very persuasive to not do that. So I'm going to try in this new year not to burn myself out, not to overwhelm myself. We're gonna see how that goes. So anyways, on to the rest of life. So those are basically our goals and stuff for this year. So please follow us, like, subscribe. Like, I'm being very gentleman right now. I just like people. I like people now, but I've always been very introverted as a kid. But I don't have to be as introverted because this is a camera. And that means I don't really have to like touch you. I think that was my whole issue. I don't like touching people. But anyways, back to life. Thank you guys for following me. Thank you guys for watching the video. I love you guys very much. Bye.